By 2026, A skills won't be optional. They'll be essential. Here are 9 game-changing abilities that'll transform your creative career into a 6-figure income. Master advanced prompting techniques for Midjourney, DALL-E, and Flux. Learn to stack modifiers, control styles, and iterate fast. Understand which model suits which project speed matters for clients. Creators charging 500 props prompt know this advantage. Develop your signature style with an A outputs. Learn to automate repetitive tasks using Python and A/B integrations. Generate hundreds of variations simultaneously. Upscaling, batch processing, and A/B chaining separate pros from hobbyists. Freelancers automating workflows complete 10x more projects. This skill alone just a premium pricing. Bundle A skills into premium services. Build a personal brand showcasing your best eye work. Offer consulting to agencies. Create digital products. Monetize through Patreon, courses, or exclusive Discord communities. Passive income awaits. AR isn't replacing artists. It's rewarding skilled operators. Start building these skills today. The gap between beginners and experts widens monthly. Your future income depends on action now. Join thousands mastering A creativity and earning passively while you sleep. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell for weekly IA skills that turn creativity and earning passively while you sleeps. That turn creativity into cash. Drop a comment. Which skill excites you most?